Welcome, everyone. Today we are learning about backdoor attacks. A backdoor is a hidden door hackers use to enter your device secretly. It allows them to bypass passwords and security settings. Let's understand how this works in simple words. A backdoor is a secret entry point created inside a system. Hackers install it so they can enter anytime without you knowing. It acts like the secret key to your computer. Backdoors can be put by hackers or even hidden inside software. How backdoors work. Hackers install backdoors using malware, fake apps, or by exploiting system weaknesses. Once installed, the backdoor hides and runs silently. It sends information to the attacker and allows them to control your device remotely. There are different types of backdoors. Application backdoors hide inside apps. System backdoors modify operating system files. Hardware backdoors are inside chips. Rootkits are the most dangerous because they hide very deep. Rats give full remote control to hackers. Backdoors are hard to detect, but there are signs. Your device becomes slow. Unknown apps appear. You see strange internet activity. Settings change on their own. Or the device crashes often. These are famous backdoor attacks. Back Orifice allowed full remote control. Zeus Trojan stole banking details. Stuxnet used advanced backdoors to attack industrial systems. Some backdoors were even found inside secure hardware. Once they get inside, hackers can do anything. Steal files, passwords, watch your camera, listen to your mic, install ransomware, and spread attacks to others. A backdoor means total control for the attacker. You can protect yourself by keeping your system updated, using antivirus, avoiding unknown apps, scanning emails, using firewalls, and backing up your files often. Prevention is easier than fixing a hacked system. Backdoors are extremely dangerous because they work secretly. But if we stay aware and follow basic safety steps, we can protect our devices. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to RoomaEducation.